ಬಾಂಬೆ ಬಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಯನ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶೆಟ್ರೆ ಅಂಚನೆ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಶ್ರೀ ಹರಿಂದರ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಬಿ ಅವೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿತ್ರನ ಶ್ರೀ ಕುಸುಮೋದರ್ ಟಿ ಶೆಟ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದ ಹಿರಿಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ರಘುರಾಮ್ ಶೆಟ್ರೆ, ಅಂಚನೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರವಿ ಶೆಟ್ರೆ and Sri Neelakant Shinde from Alcargo Logistics, and all the office bearers of Bansanga, Bombay Bunts Association, and the past presidents of Bombay Bunts Association, Anchane Bansangada Nama President Tere Bhushar Poito Judo, Averitiana Banta Bandule. First of all, I would like to congratulate Bombay Bunts Association for organizing this program of the distribution of educational aid. But education aid is the most important for the students for building their future. Panda, education today is an investment. It is not an expenditure. Prati unji ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಎನ್ನೋಡು ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ದುಡ್ಡು ಉದಾಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಖರ್ಚತ್ತು ಐಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೋಕ್ಲು ಎಡ್ಡಾದು, ಅಕುಲು ಎಡ್ಡಾದು, ಅಕ್ಲ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಎಡ್ಡಾದು, ಅಕ್ಲ ಜೋಕ್ಲು ಎಡ್ಡಾದು, ಸಮಾಜ ಎಡ್ಡಾದು, ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ನೇ ಒಂಜಿ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಮನ್ಪುನ ಭಾರಿ ಮಲ್ಲ ತಾಕತ್ತು ಪಂಡ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್. ಈ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ದಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ದಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲೇ ಪೂರಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಉಂಟು. ಯಾನು ಒಂಜಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಕ್ಲೆಗ್ಲ ಇಡೀ ಒಂಜಿ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊರ್ಪೆ ದಾದ ಪಂಡ ನಿಕ್ಕಲ್ನ ಜೋಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊರ್ಲೆ ಪಂಡ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ತಿಕ್ಕುಡು ಐಡ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕಲಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ತಿಕ್ಕುಡು ಅಕ್ಲು ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಭಾರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆಡ ಐತ ಒಟ್ಟುಗು ಒಂಜಿ ಭಾರಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಒಂಜಿ ಅಂಶ ನಿಕ್ಕಲು ಕೊರ್ಪುನ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಉಂಟು ದಾದ ಪಂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರ್. ದಯಪಂಡ ಇನಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಜೋಕುಲಿನ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ತೂಪುನ ಅಥವಾ ಅಕಲ ಎಂಚ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೇರು ತೂಪುನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನಕ್ಲೆ ಮಾತ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತುಚ್ಚಿ ಇಜಿಂದ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಾದರ್ಡ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಉಂಡತ್ತಿ ಅಕಲು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಡ್ ಉಪ್ಪುನಗ ಅಕಲು ರಿಯಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ದ ತೂಪೆರ ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನಕ್ಲೆ ಉಪ್ಪೆರ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇತೆ ದಾಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಬೇತೆಂಚೆಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಡದಾರಿಡು ಪಡ್ಡದ ದಿಕ್ಕಲು ಐನ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾದ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಮನ್ಪುನ ಒಂಜಿ ಭಾರಿ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಉಂಟು ಇನಿತ್ತ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಅವತ್ತಂದೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಅವರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶಿಂಡೆ ಸಾಬ್ನೆ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ given a very brief about it today. The youth, everybody spoke about youth. Even I would like to speak a little bit about the youth, because we all know that youth, they are the future of this country. They are everything for a family, for a whole country, or the nation, or for the world. But at times the youth are requested or required to behave responsibly. Dayapanda, youth should resist. Inchina anyaya anaga, they should resist. But they should resist responsibly. Ite which recent incident which about few months back I have spoken in Bangalore also. Perhaps it has gone little viral. I think nearly 1 lakh people have actually seen that particular subject. Whatever the incident has taken place in Jantar Mantar, NEET is a very bad thing has happened for the youth. Many people must have suffered also. You have suffered. Everybody has suffered. Parent has suffered. The whole country has suffered. But there is a way of resisting. Youth, the way some of the youth have behaved, you actually abuse. There is a way of abusing. You have a leader, the great leader of this country, Mr. Narendra Modi. He is a world leader, number 1 leader in the world. He has made such a dramatic change in this world. You are abusing me to that extent. Youth, there is a limit for you. The way your body language, the words that you used against him, that is irresponsible. That shows the background of the culture from where you have come. Your family background, your other things, that because of that it's happening. So please don't allow this thing to happen. Youth, you have got every right to resist. Again, I'm coming back to that. Because this type of thing, once NEET is gone, your future is gone. Yeah, you are very angry. But do it in anger in a proper way. In this country, for instance, we know that in the past, for 250 years, these Britishers have ruled this country. And the same thing, with Ahimsa, Mahatma Gandhi has given us this independence for this country. And when we have been such a great country, don't resist to those kind of things. This is a sincere request. And I'm also request the parents, please get into your children and Tule Akul Dada Malperi. And, don't allow this, the gap to happen between the parents and the children. And you bring back together. If you miss it forever. Miss it forever, then you will never come back. Because that is the kind of, the youth we have in this country. But they are the power, they are the future of this country. They can make a tremendous change, that in everything. Even in our election tomorrow, even nation building, even the corruption, education system, everything they can change. But use it for a proper way and use it in a constructive way where your guidance is required. Parents, you are responsible for that. This is the one advice I would like to give it to all of you. Rest undate. Chalo, now let us talk about a little bit about the education. I think that you also should know a little bit about the education from one point of view. Nama, education is the one section. If the education has turned out to be knowledge. Education basic you become a super knowledge person because that you have such a great power of Google Gemini or ChatGPT or that social media, whatever the teachers they teach, you actually try to learn in advance. Class actually you can go, actually teachers today have become like students and the students have become the teachers. To that extent, that the knowledge of the students have gone and develop it. And also along with this, and one more thing is going to come up as far as the education is concerned, it is the artificial intelligence. You could be in any field. You need not be a very technical man. You could be an art person, you could be a science person, you could be a commerce person, but try to learn the artificial intelligence. And that is the one thing is going to make the future of your career. And you are going to make a big difference as far as then one subject is concerned. Now let me come back. That actually about little bit, that actually how the education to the people it can make, how the education also can make a difference to an association. So, the history, how, that our Bansangathil Kali Muppa Varshot Dumbo, Avlavaji night school, Mata Guttundu, NCC Guttundu, you're all part of the Bansanga, Atava, Nama Jeramanna Guttundu, Atava Pass, Prativaji, Prakashana, Pura Guttundu, how was Bansanga? What is the financial strength of it? Everybody was struggling. Everybody was watching it. Only one thing that Bansangodu Yepa Andwa Apudu, Madimapudu, Madmaina income to Talavurin, I told you scholarship corporate. About the donation, the concept teacher, Dalachat, Kali Aitana Batun, worth the president every time, the tension every month, Dara expense income management, and then Diplomata Tutor situation. And from night school, 30 years back, SM Shetty School, it has turned into a big thing. And today, I think that it has become a Akshaya Patra. That is the turning point. I think that today Bombay Bunch Association needs that. Very badly it needs that. Don't look only for a person like Mr. SM Shetty. Person like Mr. KD Shetty, he is a part of New Bombay today. Some politician patle. 30-40,000 square feet the Jagatulne. It will make a big difference. Don't get into too many things. Every time I boka, every time I donation korle, be donation korpuna dalagattech. So it is not a big problem. When you internal politician patadu, akalavaji jagamin tikkanada, I don't use nuclear school, otherwise education, specifically if you want to earn money, make an international school. International school do, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಫೀಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ with 1,000 students, they could 50 crores, you are straight away making the gross profit, and 25 crores net profit. That, what more you require? That itself is a big thing, and you can do it. Past president, the donor, somebody has to take the initiative. That push is required, that drive is required. That will make a big difference. Please try to do, it's a great advice that I would like to give it to all of you. And also, you know, that I Patre Matela Pritula Courier, Ravi Shetri, opinion courier, KD Shetri courier, Ancharinama, IBPS, the Nama, Harinder R courier, Ancharinama, CSR, the Alkarudal courier. I am only telling you one thing is that today corporate Dakta Pratyodala CSR fund undu. That's a big amount. But a Prati net profit dala, after the profit after tax, the 2% of, you know, that the profit you have to give it for education purpose. Anchadu Praga, even particular section, the Prati association la, Prati Sangha Samsilla, Aininikul Mata Aita, Ejina number 80G plus CSR number, like number go per CSR number. Anybody, even tomorrow Jawab can take it. There is nothing like that. It is only a simple application you have to make. That if Panda, Kali Nankan, that on the Bete Jatkal, which is some percentage corporation CSR number, that money can they have to give it to. How that you can give to our own people. So try to take everybody, every other association also should take it, and it will be great help to the people who need this, you know, that actually educational fund. Nana, as far as our President Mr. D.K. Shetty is concerned, he is doing extremely good work as a president. You know, that Mata President Nokla at Malder, and Unji Matra, very important point, Nama KD Shetty touch Malder, Tadamanda, which past President Naklake, which recognition the Kur. Yana Yendu said the Tute, with the recognition the Kuru the Kadima Dundu. Damn Kalo Jage Ponda, past President Naklake, or Kuller Jagla the Kuji. Jagla out of the Poda. I can Barbara Matmalpe. This is the problem. Ancha the Praga, when you pass President Naklake, when you recognition the Kuru. Avatande, Boka, you have to recognize, and every time, every moment you should recognize the donors. Therefore, Namma, when the institution, the Prati institution today, strength is only with the donors. I quoted Yana with, you know, the recently, there was an amendment in Constitution of Bansaga, Bombay, that specifically I requested, but I talked to a few title donors, like Shishikan Shetty, Manmohan Shetty, SM Srimati Kendra. So this time, they've added one clause there. That is, you know, the Donors Advisory Committee. Donors Advisory Committee, in the event of, you know, that suppose anything happened in any, being a big institution, because donors' image should not be tarnished. Akal Kurta Pudar Akli Halair Balli, I know G manage Malpere, this we have already introduced that. Now we want to further expand it, you know, future Dala Bodunadla. Similar thing you can think of, you know, whenever you are making any changes in Bombay Bunds. That one aspect you can also look into that, you know, whether you can do that, because donor recognition, you always have to do it. And in the interest of the Sangha. Ancha Dupunaga, Nama, Pari Kushi Dada Manda Ekta D.K. Shetri, Arvanja Javavda, when the president, Ancha Yantupa, list Tunaga, at least 50% of the past president of Bombay Bunds Institution honor from Java. So whether it is Shetty or Shekhar Uppur is concerned, or no advocate Ratnakar Shetty, I am feeling so happy that I feel so homely. But that is a beauty part of it. The same tempo you maintain it, more and more Java people come and, you know, that become the president here. You grow it, and finally I would like to conclude. Look for a place, get into education, and make Bombay Bunds the strongest in terms of education, finance, everything is concerned. Good luck. God bless.